Vítejte ve firmě STARTECH, naší nové výrobní.
Welcome to STARTECH's new production hall in Rosice u Brna. We have been here for our customers since 1996.
Naše firma se zaměřuje na
Our company focuses on precise machining, which means turning, milling, grinding, and also assembling different kinds of products and components in a clean environment. We focus on one-off production or small batch production.
malosériovou výrobu. Naše společnost má dvě pobočky.
Our company has two branches. One is in Žičany and the other here in Rosice. Altogether, we have 170 full-time employees. We are at our Žičany branch. We have a Class ISO 7 clean assembly hall here. We assemble electron microscope chambers, different kinds of manipulators, and components for scientific instruments.
Sestavy různých vědeckých přístrojů.
I would like to point out some of our best machines. For example, this robotic cell includes two machines, a 5-axis milling machine, the Mazak Variaxis, and our new 5-axis milling machine, the Mazak Variaxis I-800. We are also very proud of our measuring technology. For example, this 3-axis measuring machine by Wenzel. Our products may be found on land, on sea, under the sea, in the air, and also in space. We are able to make almost anything from these little screws to the large chambers of electron microscopes.